Hello. Most people, if not all, says they need a drawing grid and eraser to draw clean. Join me in my art space and watch me draw with none, no eraser, no grid, and let's see the outcome of what I'm going to draw. An entire face. You will be the judge in the comment section.
3, 2, 1.
Welcome back to the drawing. And what I've not choose what I am going to draw. I just have in mind that I want to draw a face, but I haven't pictured how it should look like, whether it's someone that I know is a celebrity or just a high personal. I will figure out right in this moment that I'm drawing this. The measurement for my drawing paper should be around 911 or 811. And if you know what grid is all about, it's using ruler to just give a guiding rule so that when you are drawing, it gives you that accurate result. But this one, I'm not using the drawing grid. I want to know the time that it will take me to draw this. Just watch me draw so you know who I'm actually trying to draw. For the sake of letting you enjoy the process, I'm fastening the video. If you want a much slow video, just tell me in the comment section. I'll make a video of another drawing and let you enjoy it by not doing it much fast forwarding. Or I can also do a live drawing with you guys. Just tell me in the comment section of what you think. Meanwhile, enjoy the process and don't forget to tell me who I am drawing after you must have enjoyed this process with me. At this junction, you'll be seeing the precision of what I'm doing.
Close up, Papa.
I spent roughly like an hour plus because of some distraction. Tell me what you think about this drawing. Who do you think I drew? Tell me in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and you want more of this video, give me a thumbs up. Also feel free to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this and so many other content to get to connect with me more. See you in my next video.